A cigar isn't just smoked. It's prepared, preserved, respected. In this guide, we show how to use a humidor the right way, protecting flavor, tradition, and every detail that defines the ritual. A cigar is more than smoke. It's time, taste, and tradition. But cigars are fragile. Even slight shifts in temperature or humidity can strip them of aroma, character, and draw. That's where a proper humidor steps in. Not just to preserve, but to elevate. It protects the leaf, honors the craft, and ensures every moment is ready when you are. Every humidor, whether large or portable, follows the same sacred process. Step 1. Season the interior. Most premium humidors, like the one featured here, are lined with Spanish cedar. Use a clean, lint-free cloth dampened with distilled or drinkable water to gently wipe the interior. For portable humidors, fill the detachable humidity chamber with distilled or drinkable water. For larger humidors, place a small bowl of distilled water inside. Let it sit for 24 hours to stabilize the wood and humidity environment. Use a hygrometer to monitor the internal climate, especially relative humidity, which matters more than temperature. If you prefer a simpler route, use humidity packs. We recommend 69% RH for optimal preservation, or, with portable humidors like this one, simply refill the humidity chamber with distilled water every 2 weeks to maintain consistency. Aim for 65 to 72% relative humidity, the sweet spot for taste, smooth draw, and long-term freshness. Step 3. Arrange your cigars. Whether you're storing 6 or 60, let air flow between them. Never overpack. Here, we demonstrate using the Regis 6-slot leather travel case, a compact example that blends form and function with an integrated torch, stainless steel cutter, and secure closure system. A humidor isn't just gear, it's a commitment. Check humidity levels weekly. Refill your chamber or packs as needed. If the cedar feels dry, re-season. Keep your humidor clean, always sealed when not in use. Store it in a stable environment, away from direct heat, light, or airflow. And if you travel, choose wisely. A case like the Regis isn't just elegant, it protects your cigars in motion. Wrapped in leather, lined in cedar, and designed with purpose. Your cigars deserve more than a box. They deserve preservation, precision, respect. This is how you maintain the ritual. This is how you honor the fire, fluid and fire. Built on tradition, styled for legacy.